In this video, I want to talk about how you can find your trading history on eToro. So first step is you want to just head over to either the website or the app on your phone, log into your account, and once you're in here, you want to find your portfolio. Inside of here, you should be able to see all of your trades from your portfolio, the ones that you have active. But if you want to find the history, you want to come up here and click on the drag down, go to history, and you should now be able to see your entire trading history inside of eToro. Now you can filter it from a time frame by coming up here, and then you should be able to see starting value, money in, money out, your P&L, and the end value. And you can also see your dividends, your fees, and the net cash flow. So you should be able to see everything in here. Since I have no trades, there's nothing to see, but from you, it should be different if you made some trades. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.